Look at how tender this stewed turkey neck turned out in the Instant Pot. Rich, flavorful, and falling right off the bone. Hi, I'm Forsi, and welcome to Storytime and Cooking with Forsi, a story you can taste. Turkey neck is one of those humble cuts that becomes something really special. I remember enjoying it at home and sometimes at a friend's house after school. In Caribbean kitchens, nothing goes to waste. Recently, I baked a whole turkey, but I saved the neck and stewed it with herbs and spices for that deep, comforting flavor. Today, I'm using the Instant Pot to speed things up while still keeping that rich taste. The turkey neck was washed and seasoned with herbs and spices. Then I sauteed the onions, peppers, garlic, and herbs to build that base for the stew. Then the seasoned turkey pieces go in. Next, I add a little water to the pot. Then cover the Instant Pot and set it to pressure cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. Then switch the pot back to saute mode. This allows the sauce to simmer and reduce slightly, creating that rich stew flavor. And there you have it, tender, flavorful stewed turkey neck. This dish goes perfectly with rice and peas, or ground provisions. And this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi.